How to fix Avast Antivirus login issue. For quick solutions. Method 1. Reset the password. Step 1. First navigate to the Avast password recovery page. Step 2. Enter your email address and click Continue. Step 3. Open the email you received and click Reset Password. Step 4. Create a new password and click Continue. Step 5. Click Continue again and sign into your Avast account using the new password. Method 2. Check your login credentials. Step 1. First navigate to the Avast login page. Step 2. Fill in the email ID and password. Step 3. Double-check and make sure that you've entered the right ID and password. Step 4. Click Continue and see if you can log in. Method 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Step 1. Launch your web browser and click on the 3 dots on the top right corner of the screen. Step 2. Click on Settings, then select Privacy and Security. Step 3. In the Privacy and Security section, click on Clear Browsing Data. Step 4. In the Clear Browsing Data window, select Cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Step 5. Set the time range and click Clear Data. Method 4. Temporarily disable Windows Firewall. Step 1. Right-click on the Windows Start button and go to Settings. Step 2. Select Update and Security, then click on Windows Security. Step 3. Click on Virus and Threat Protection, scroll down and click Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Step 4. Turn off real-time protection and close the window. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirustales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.